Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about chemistry and biodiversity. So Wardah, can you tell me what is biodiversity?
Biodiversity is a term that represents the total variety of all life on Earth. Earth is full of life. There are thousands of habitats and ecosystems, and millions of species of animals, plants, fungi, and insects. This is biodiversity, the sum total of all different life on Earth. Every one of these species depends on all the others for survival, including ourselves. We need trees that clean our air and water, animals and plants that provide us with food, medicine, and biofuels, and insects that pollinate our crops. There are three types of biodiversity. Firstly, species biodiversity. Species biodiversity is a group of genetically distinct organisms that can have offspring. Today, over 1.7 million species have been named, and new kinds of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms are being discovered all the time. Scientists have predicted that there are between 3 and 30 million species on Earth. Secondly, genetic biodiversity means that the genes within a species vary. For example, all dogs belong to the same species, but there are many different breeds that have genes for different traits such as size and color. And lastly, ecosystem biodiversity. Ecosystem biodiversity means that ecosystems communities of living things are different from one another. For example, some ecosystems are warm, wet, and cold. So from here, we get to know that biodiversity is important because all species in an ecosystem have a role to play. When one or more of these species is eliminated, an ecosystem balance will suffer, and other species are forced to migrate or become extinct.
Oh, now I get it.
Can I know what is chemistry?
As we know, chemistry is the study of matter. Everything is made up of matter, including plants, animals, buildings, and even humans. Animals, plants, and humans go through a common chemical process, which is breathing. Yep, plants breathe too, but they do not breathe the same way as humans and animals. One way that they do it is by photosynthesis. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil and also sunlight to create glucose. Glucose provides energy for the plant to produce oxygen. Do you ever wonder how fishes in the sea breathe? Fishes use their gills to breathe underwater. The gills contain blood vessels and are also very thin. Fishes take in water through their mouth and uses their gills. When the water moves through their gills, the dissolved oxygen in the water passes through the thin walls of gills and blood vessels, then enters the blood. The waste carbon dioxide that is present in the blood goes out into the water, thus helping them to breathe underwater.
Wow, that is so interesting. Thanks for the information, Alicia.
We hope that our video could teach you something new. Bye!